Mr. Chaudhary, may I make my opening comment so that I'm not interrupted in between? I'm asking.
Come on.
Yeah.
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
So-
Gaurav, go ahead.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chaudhary. Arnab, it is very unfortunate that we have an Indian citizen like Mr. Rahul Vinci, who in the past few days has tweeted this. I would be
Rahul
expecting
Gandhi,
a Chinese to be
please pronounce it
tweeting this.
rightly.
He's saying don't call him
Yes.
Rahul Vinci.
Okay, I will. Rahul Vinci, and I can even
Rahul
call him a
Gandhi.
traitor. Okay, I give you an option. Option A, traitor Rahul Gandhi, or termite Rahul Gandhi, option B. Whichever one you want to choose. And I'll tell you, Mr. Chaudhary,
You
why
please talk
I respect
sense,
you.
talk sense.
Why I respect you
Being a
over
lawyer,
Mr.
you
Rahul
talk
Gandhi.
sense.
Listen to me. It's my right to express. You cannot take it away. Your turn will come. You can speak then. So,
No,
first
I'm
of
not
all,
taking,
Rahul
but
Gandhi
talk sense.
says,
That too on a national
please,
television.
yes, let the viewers decide that. Let the viewers decide that. We still live in a democracy. It's not the Chinese. It's India.
Yes.
So, first
So
Rahul
he's a
Gandhi
respected
says, Zameen
parliamentarian.
Hadap Lee.
You are
अच्छा चौधरी जी अच्छा रे आप पहले बोलना चाहते हैं प्लीज यू कैन गो फर्स्ट
Manasvi is also objecting.
line by line heckling is not good please
Manasvi is
It doesn't
objecting.
help
Anirban is
anybody.
objecting. Let him continue.
Let them object Rahul Gandhi says Zameen Hadapli. So on Republic I say Rahul Gandhi, do you have the gumption and the
Congress? Our opposition should not be the opposition
member
party.
of Colonel Santosh Babu
Our
and then say
opposition
कि हमारी
Gaurav Bhatia.
is China. We
please,
have
yeah.
to oppose China.
Arey,
and
can
not
you-
Congress.
can you be quiet?
Why is this debate?
Yeah,
counter. Congress?
Manasvi,
Is this
if you want to be mannerless, I know how to teach a lesson, but I think I can make a request to you. Extend the civility to me. This is my first comment. I don't know why you have to interrupt me.
Sir,
You have no
sir,
problems.
you can be the
Please,
professor.
Manasvi.
You can
I
be
think
professor,
it is
but
important.
can we have
You want to
have a
speak
debate
first, you speak first.
on the
I will
topic?
speak in my manner. I will use the words that I think are appropriate for Rahul Gandhi.
Sir.
And I will give reasons. And then you can come and you can make your
Continue,
point.
continue,
I think
sir.
that is the
Continue,
way
sir.
to. Please,
Professor
thank you.
Saab, you can continue. You can teach. You
No,
can teach
please.
the debating culture
Okay.
by changing the topic. You
Thank
can
you.
continue that.
Okay. So my first point is that Zameen Hadapli. When Narendra Modi ji says एक इंच जमीन हमारी सुरक्षित है हमारी वीर सेना डिफेंड कर रही है तो जमीन कैसे हड़प ली ये बताए राहुल गांधी सेकंड ही सेज सुरेंद्र मोदी और सरेंडर मोदी Mr. Rahul Gandhi,
बता दूंगा आपको,
do you
आपको
even
जवाब मैं
understand
दूंगा, आप question
if the
पूछिए।
Prime Minister of the country surrenders, what it means? Till our last breath, every Indian will defend India in the best capacity that he can. So, I ask you, Mr. Rahul Gandhi is the MOU that you signed, and I have a picture. Please show this picture. This reveals a lot. Are you being
Hold
very
it up.
faithful to China while acting like a termite with India? You have responsibilities towards India also, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Is the bond that you share through this MOU with China stronger than your love for the country? Please tell us. My next point, Manmohan Singh ji, we all respect you. But today, Manmohan Singh
Can I
ji's
answer
position
you?
is like the Bhij
Bhatia ji,
Pitama.
can I
He
answer
knows
you
the
now?
Duryodhan. He knows the Duryodhan in the Congress party, but he doesn't have the courage to be on the right side. Mr. Manmohan Singh ji, the ordinance that you approved as the Prime Minister was
Sir,
torn
Bhisham Pitama
by
तो हर
Rahul Gandhi,
पार्टी
who
में
was
है,
not even a
Advani
minister
जी
in
को
your
भी याद कर
cabinet.
लेते हैं, sir.
Let me also, please, Manasvi, please don't do this. You were never like this. Why are you heckling? Your turn will come. Let me play some facts. Under your regime, Mr. Manmohan Singh, 2008, Chumur area, 250 kilometer of length land was taken over by China. 2009, Doom Cheli area. How did the Chinese came inside the Indian territory? 2012, Demchok. China constructed 13 cemented houses there. Mr. Manmohan Singh, can you please tell the nation, when we have a strong Prime Minister, why are you trying to be China's best friend? An all-party meeting took place. Manmohan Singh ji, you
Strong
could have
debate,
given your
Anirban.
suggestions. You could have given your suggestions in the
Anirban.
all-party meeting through Sonia Gandhi. But you did not. That is
Arnab
why
ji, I
we
was
doubt
supposed
the
to respond to
integrity of
Mr.
Congress
Bhatia.
party.